Filipino boxing pride Manny Pacquiao suffered 2 losses this year that both shocked all the boxing fans around the world. One of his losses was given to him by Mexican rival Juan Manuel Marquez by knockout, and we can call it the knockout of the year. Like what Manny Pacquiao's coach Freddie Roach said, it was a great knockout. Roach added that it depends on Manny Pacquiao if he wants to fight or retire. But when our champ was asked if he wants a 5th fight, he said that he is still willing to fight.
It's up to the promoter, you know. I'm a fighter and my job is to fight, so I'm willing to fight.
But this year's fight is different. There are lots of reasons why he lost, but none of them were proven right. Is it because he changed religions, joined politics, or like what Freddie Roach said, he did not see it coming? The fight was scheduled for 12 rounds, but at 2:59 of the 6th round, a brilliant counter-overhand right added to one loss to Manny's record. On the first 2 rounds of the fight, we saw the typical Manny using his excellent head movement to make it hard for the counter-puncher to hit him. A precise counter from Marquez landed on Pacquiao that dropped clearly and hurt him on the 3rd round. But Pacquiao immediately recovered and came back to fight. He came out strong on the 4th round and gave Marquez a knockdown on the 5th round. It was really clear that Pacquiao was doing his best to compensate for the knockdown from the previous round. And lastly, 6th round was definitely Pacquiao's round, but that one punch from the winner, Juan Manuel Marquez, ended it all. A lot of Filipinos were stunned of what happened, even his fans all over the world. But Pacquiao accepted his defeat, a great way to portray sportsmanship. He shook Marquez's hand after the fight, congratulating him for a phenomenal victory. After all, it's not about winning and losing. It's about the unity the Filipinos are giving each time he steps on the ring. And it's also about the masterpiece that these 2 great artists have offered to all of us.